Right, when you're adding vectors, this is a vector which says, remember the top number is the x movement, the bottom number is the y movement. So 12 on the x minus 5 on the y means 12 to the right, 5 down. This means 3 to the left and 7 up. So 12 right, 3 left, that makes 9 to the right. And 5 down, 7 up, that makes 2 up. You just add the top, there's the x movements, and add the bottom. Similarly, if you're doing 4 times 2 to the left and 1 up, 4 lots of 2 to the left makes 8 up, 4 lots of 4 lots of 2 to the left makes 8 to the left, sorry, and 4 lots of 1 up makes 4 up. Now, for two vectors to be parallel, one must be a multiple of another. I hope you agree that 2 across and 3 up, which is a vector that looks like that, is parallel to one which does double that. So 4 across and 6 up. So long as the relative increase of y to x is the same, i.e. the gradient, then they're parallel. So we're looking for something which goes, which is in the same proportion. An easy way of doing this, what did you multiply 3 by to get 9? 3. Do the same to 2. You get 6. That's it. For the gradients and intercepts, now, still a few mistakes being made on this, despite the fact that we've seen the question 3 times. For gradient of A, remember the gradient is how much you go up by every time you go 1 square to the right. Every time you go 1 square to the right, you're going up by less than 1. So let's have a look what happens when you go up across by 2, you're going up 1. So if you go across 2 to go up 1, that means every time you go across 1, you must be going up a half. Now, up or down is a decision about what happens when you go from left to right. So this is plus a half. And the y-intercept, where it goes to the y-axis, that's clearly 1. For this one, every time you go 1 square to the right, you're going 1 down. So the y change every time you go 1 to the right is minus 1. The intercept is clearly 5.